speech on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on a very important topic, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or the Clean India Mission. This mission was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 2nd October 2014 on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji always dreamed of a clean India because he believed that cleanliness is as important as independence. The main aim of this campaign is to keep our surroundings clean, build toilets, stop open defecation, and manage waste properly. It is not only the duty of the government but also the responsibility of every citizen to keep India neat and clean. We should not throw garbage on the roads. We should use dustbins, save water, and keep our schools, homes, and public places tidy. A clean India will lead to a healthy India, and a healthy India will become a strong India. If each one of us contributes even a little, we can make our country shine. Let us take a pledge today to support Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and make cleanliness a habit in our daily lives. Thank you. Jai Hind.